Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Mr. English Talks, your favorite place to learn, grow, and get inspired. I'm so glad you're here today because we're diving into one of the most powerful ideas ever written, Think and Grow Rich. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Does this mean just thinking about money will make me rich? Is it really that simple? Well, my friend, today we're going to explore the truth behind this idea. And I promise you, by the end of this video, you'll see your mind, your goals, and your future in a completely new light. Think and Grow Rich isn't just a book. It's a philosophy. It's a mindset. It's a way of living that has transformed millions of lives around the world. Written by Napoleon Hill in 1937, this book is not about quick tricks or shortcuts. It's about understanding the power of your thoughts, your beliefs, and your burning desire to succeed. Hill spent over 25 years studying the most successful people of his time, people like Henry Ford, Thomas Edison, Andrew Carnegie, and he discovered something incredible. He found that success wasn't just about talent, education, or luck. It was about how these people thought. It was about their mindset. So let's begin with the first and most important idea, desire. Hill says that everything starts with a burning desire, not a wish, not a hope, but a deep, unstoppable desire. Think about it. Every great achievement in history started with someone who wanted something so badly they refused to give up. They didn't let failure stop them. They didn't let fear control them. They kept going. So ask yourself right now, what do you truly desire? What is that one thing that lights a fire inside you? Is it financial freedom? Is it building your own business? Is it helping your family live a better life? Whatever it is, you must feel it deeply. You must see it clearly. You must want it more than anything. Now, desire alone is not enough. You need faith. You need to believe that what you want is possible, and this is where many people struggle. They say, I want to be rich, but deep down, they don't believe they can be. They doubt themselves. They think they're not smart enough, not lucky enough, not connected enough. But here's the truth. Your belief shapes your reality. If you believe you can, you will find a way. If you believe you can't, you will find excuses. So start building your faith. Speak your goals out loud. Write them down. Visualize them every day. Tell yourself, I can do this. I will do this. I am doing this. Because when your mind believes, your actions follow. Let me tell you a story. There was a young man named Jim who grew up in a poor neighborhood. His family struggled to pay bills. He didn't go to a fancy school. But Jim had a dream. He wanted to start his own company. Everyone told him it was impossible. But Jim didn't listen. He read Think and Grow Rich. He wrote down his goals. He worked day and night. He failed many times, but he kept going. Today, Jim runs a successful tech company and helps others do the same. What changed? His thinking, his belief, his desire. That's the power of mindset. Now let's talk about something Hill calls autosuggestion. This means feeding your mind with positive thoughts every day. You see, your mind is like a garden. If you plant good seeds, thoughts of success, confidence, and abundance, you will grow a beautiful life. But if you plant weeds, doubt, fear, negativity, your life will reflect that too. So start using autosuggestion. Say affirmations. Repeat your goals. Surround yourself with people who lift you up. Read books that inspire you. Watch videos that motivate you. Protect your mind like it's your most valuable treasure, because it is. Another key idea is specialized knowledge. You don't need to know everything. You just need to know something very well. Find your passion. Learn about it. Become an expert. Whether it's cooking, coding, teaching, designing, whatever it is, dive deep. The world rewards those who master a skill. And remember, you don't have to do it alone. Build a team. Find mentors. Ask for help. Success is not a solo journey. It's a team sport. Hill also talks about imagination. He says that imagination is the workshop of the mind. Everything you see around you, cars, phones, buildings, businesses, started as an idea in someone's mind. So don't be afraid to dream big. Don't limit yourself. Use your imagination to create a vision of your future. Picture your dream life. Feel it, taste it. Live it in your mind every day. Because what you imagine, you can create. Now let's get practical. How do you apply these ideas in your daily life? First, set a clear goal. Not a vague wish. A specific, measurable goal. For example, I want to earn $10,000 a month by starting my online business. Second, write it down. Third, read it every morning and night. Fourth, take action every day, no matter how small. Fifth, track your progress. Sixth, stay positive. Seventh, never give up. This is your formula. This is your path. Let me share another story. There was a woman named Sarah who wanted to become a writer. She had no experience, no connections, but she had a dream. She followed Hill's principles. She wrote every day. She visualized her success. She believed in herself. Today, Sarah is a best-selling author. Her books are read around the world. She didn't wait for permission. She didn't wait for the perfect moment. She started. And that's what you must do. Start now. Start where you are. Use what you have. Do what you can. And here's something powerful. Hill says that persistence is the key. Most people quit too soon. They try once, fail, and give up. But successful people keep going. They learn from failure. They grow stronger. They become unstoppable. So if you're facing challenges right now, don't quit. Keep moving. Keep believing. Keep growing. Your breakthrough is closer than you think. Now, I want you to take a moment. Close your eyes. Picture your dream life. See yourself living in abundance, helping others, feeling proud, feeling free. That life is possible. That life is waiting for you. But you must think it. You must believe it. You must act on it. Because thoughts become things. And your mind is the most powerful tool you have. Let's talk about fear. Fear is the enemy of success. Fear tells you to stay safe, to avoid risk, to play small. But growth lives outside your comfort zone. So face your fears. Challenge them. Replace them with courage. Remember, every successful person was once afraid. But they acted anyway. And so can you. You might be wondering, can I really do this? Yes, you can. You are capable. You are worthy. You are powerful. And you are not alone. I'm here with you. This community is here with you. We believe in you, and we will walk this journey together. So, my friend, make a decision today. Decide to think differently. Decide to grow. Decide to become the person you were meant to be. Because when you change your thoughts, you change your life. And when you change your life, you inspire others to do the same. Let's keep going, my friend, because this journey, this transformation, is just getting started. Now, one of the most overlooked principles in Think and Grow Rich is decision. Napoleon Hill found that successful people make decisions quickly and change them slowly. Unsuccessful people do the opposite. They hesitate, they overthink, they wait for the perfect moment. But here's the truth. The perfect moment doesn't exist. You have to create it. You have to decide. Decide to start. Decide to commit. Decide to believe. Every time you delay a decision, you delay your destiny. So today, make a decision. Decide what you want. Decide who you want to become. And then move forward with confidence. Let's talk about the power of the mastermind. Hill says that no one succeeds alone. You need a group of people who support your vision, challenge your thinking, and help you grow. This could be friends, mentors, coaches, or even online communities. The key is to surround yourself with people who believe in you and push you to be better. So look around. Who's in your circle? Are they lifting you up or pulling you down? Choose your environment wisely. Because your environment shapes your energy, and your energy shapes your results. Now, I want to share something personal. When I first started Mr. English Talks, I had doubts. I wondered if anyone would listen. I questioned my ability to inspire. But I remembered Hill's words, "Whatever the mind can conceive and believe, it can achieve." So I kept going. I kept learning. I kept growing. And today we're building a global community of dreamers, doers, and achievers. That's the power of belief. That's the power of persistence. That's the power of thinking rich. Let's go deeper into the idea of subconscious mind. Hill says your subconscious is always listening. It doesn't judge. It doesn't filter. It simply accepts whatever you feed it. So if you constantly say, "I'm not good enough," your subconscious will believe it. But if you say, "I am powerful," "I am capable," "I am successful," your subconscious will start working to make it true. So be mindful of your words. Be intentional with your thoughts. Train your subconscious to work for you, not against you. And here's another gem. Hill talks about the importance of planning. You need a plan, a roadmap, a strategy. Success doesn't happen by accident. It happens by design. So take time to plan your goals. Break them into steps. Set deadlines. Review your progress. Adjust when needed. And most importantly, take action. A plan without action is just a dream. But a plan with action becomes reality. Let's talk about failure. Because yes, you will fail. You will make mistakes. You will face setbacks. But failure is not the end. It's a lesson. It's a stepping stone. Every successful person has failed, many times. But they didn't quit. They learned. They adapted. They grew. So when you fail, don't beat yourself up. Don't give up. Ask yourself, what can I learn from this? And then move forward stronger than before. Now, let's shift to the idea of persistence. Hill says that persistence is the key to unlocking your dreams. It's the ability to keep going when things get tough. It's the strength to push through when others give up. And it's something you can build. Start small. Set a goal. Stick to it. Build discipline. Build resilience. Because the more you persist, the more you grow. And the more you grow, the closer you get to your dreams. Let me tell you about a man named Thomas. He wanted to become a motivational speaker. But he had a speech impediment. People laughed at him. He was rejected many times. But Thomas didn't quit. He practiced every day. He studied the greats. He kept speaking even when no one listened. Today, Thomas speaks to thousands around the world. His voice is strong. His message is powerful. Why? Because he persisted. He believed. He thought rich. And he grew rich, not just in money, but in impact. Now let's talk about money. Because yes, Think and Grow Rich is about wealth. But wealth is more than money. It's freedom. It's impact. It's choices. It's being able to help others. So don't chase money blindly. Chase purpose. Chase growth. Chase excellence. And money will follow. Focus on becoming valuable. Focus on solving problems. Focus on serving others. That's how you grow rich in every sense of the word. Let's take a moment to breathe. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. Feel the energy in your body. Feel the power in your mind. You are alive. You are capable. You are ready. This is your time. This is your moment. Don't let it pass you by, and remember, success is not a destination. It's a journey. It's a daily commitment. It's waking up every morning and choosing to grow, choosing to believe, choosing to act. So keep going, keep learning, keep dreaming, because the best is yet to come. And so, my friend, as we come to the end of this powerful journey together, I want you to remember one thing. Your thoughts are the seeds of your future. What you plant today will grow tomorrow. Think and Grow Rich is not just a book, it's a call to action. It's a reminder that you already have everything you need inside you. The desire, the belief, the imagination, the persistence, the power. You are not here by accident. You are here because you are ready. Ready to rise, ready to change, ready to build a life of abundance, purpose, and impact. So don't wait for permission. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Start now. Think big. Dream boldly. Act fearlessly. And grow rich, not just in money, but in wisdom, in love, in joy, and in legacy. Thank you for spending this time with me on Mr. English Talks. If this message touched your heart, share it with someone who needs it. Let's build a world where everyone believes in their power to grow. Until next time, keep thinking rich, keep growing strong, and never stop believing in yourself.